J5Create, tomorrow's technology today. Are you a multitasking professional? Easily connect an additional display to your Mac or PC laptop. Presenting the mini DisplayPort to DVI adapter. It's a very easy to use cable with no software required. Simply connect your DVI cable to the adapter. Our mini port offers 1.62 gigabits per second and 2.7 gigabits per second. More workspace equals more productivity. Easily configure your screens to be on extended mode, mirror mode, or primary mode. Open System Preferences located on your dock. Find the icon that says Displays. Click on your Arrangement tab to bring up your screen. Simply check the Mirror Display box to duplicate your laptop screen. Here we have the mirror mode. Uncheck the box to extend your screen. Now you have a fully functional multi-display powerhouse. In order to drag a program over to your extended monitor, find an empty space on top of your browser bar. Click and hold, then drag all the way off the screen. All you're doing is pulling a web browser from screen 1 onto screen 2. Click and hold the white bar and then drag it to the other box to make it your main display. Notice how the red frame moves between which screens you're currently working with. The JDA132. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and now Instagram. Visit us on the web at j5create.com for a full list of our products and technical support, including live chat.